Then I saw you.
Hello. Good. So we have few about 8 minutes to finish. So let's hurry through. Okay. So because of this, we could establish the relationship Actras has with some quantities. The left hand side is Actras. Actras is equal to. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Actras U is equal to rho VD. Hey, Bushra. Across is equal to rho VD, meaning that across is directly proportional to density. Bushra, you haven't realized you are giving us a very bad feedback. All right. So from this, across is directly proportional to the density of the liquid displaced. Across is also directly proportional to the volume of the liquid displaced. As for gravity, it's constant. Okay, so across is directly proportional to the density of the liquid. Okay, if the liquid is denser, it means the across within will be greater, and that explains the reason why across is greater in liquids than in air or gases, because the density of liquid is greater than the density of gases. So certainly, across would have to be greater in liquids than in gases. And the relationship is this. Please, are we okay?
Yes.
Akosia.
Mr. Ija, please, there's no constant like K there. So why were you able to change it to the sign?
Oh, Akosia, this is mathematics. Okay, if you have a certain quantity equal to another, then you could derive the relationship from it. As for the constant of proportionality, we can always determine its magnitude. We'll get there when we cross, okay?
Yes, please.
So across is directly proportional to density, meaning the greater the density of the liquid or the fluid, the greater will be the across. Across is also directly proportional to the volume of the liquid displaced, meaning if an object displaces larger volume of liquid, its supportive upward force will be greater. And this is the reason why ships are designed to have a very large base so that they could displace greater volume of water. Once they displace greater volume of water, the across supporting it to float will be greater. Are we okay?
Yes, please.
So these are the two main variables on which across is. As for gravity, it is constant. Whether you are in cooking oil or gas or application, gravity will be the same on you. Is that okay? So that is never a dependent or variable. It is a constant so long as we find ourselves on the surface of the earth. It's a constant value. But the two main variables or quantities on which across depends are the density of the liquid displaced and then the volume of the liquid displaced. Okay, so this is where we draw the curtains. Please, if you have some questions, quickly bring it up because we have about 3 minutes to go. If you have questions, quickly ask so I can explain and we'll call it a day. I'm waiting. Hello, Yaba. Ojua. No question.
Mr. Dia, please, I want to see the other parts of the board.
Where this part?
Yes, please.
If you have any question. Oh, no question. Yaba, Agosia, Zuvio, these days you haven't been asking questions. What's your secret? Hey, Stoneboy too is quiet these days. All right, so in the absence of any further clarification, contribution, and all the other things, this is why I draw the curtains on today's meeting. Okay. I think we'll start solving questions under Archimedes principle and buoyancy from next week in our meeting. Okay. Maybe within the week I'll be sending you, less difficult questions on Archimedes principle. Okay. Yes, I'll do that. Less difficult questions. So it can build up a momentum for tougher questions next week. So be expecting such problems. All right. So until next week, bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Revise, and fill the questionnaire, please, for physics to soar higher. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye.